Afternoon, Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a multi-vehicle booking here. We've got this transporter, which is still under warranty, and it's got an EGR fault. So how many of us have got warranties and we don't use them? Definitely get this sorted under warranty. The fault's causing an EGR insufficient flow code. We're still doing the clean on it today. The owner wanted to get that done. It's got 65,000 on the clock. It is only a 2018 model, so it's got an EGR fault already. We can get that resolved under warranty. We can supply all the diagnostic information that he can take and get that sorted out. The other vehicle we've just finished is a Alfa Romeo. Again, that had just crept up to about 31,000 miles. Perfect time to get the initial clean on that one done. This transporter, yeah, apart from the EGR flow code, it appears to be running in beautiful condition. Just the EGR fault to sort out. Getting it cleaned up today. The owner's doing quite high miles in this, so wants to get that fuel economy back up to where it should be. And with that EGR fault, he can go and get that sorted out now, get that done under warranty and get this back how it should be.